Hey, good morning, everybody. This morning I'm gonna try and pick up some of these leaves on the ground with the mower and pack them around my banana tree that has frozen and wilted. So I'm gonna cut the top off of that thing, put some wire cage around it and fill it up with grass and leaves and kind of winterize it. All right. Amount of wire fencing I'm gonna need. It's like 10 feet. Yeah, it's about 10 feet. So I'm gonna go grab a chunk of wire right there. Get rid of that. Didn't mean to throw it in the bushes, but. I gotta say, if you don't have one of these fencing pliers, you should really consider. It's got wire cutters on both sides. These front things are for like pulling staples out of boards, and you got a hammer and you got a pry bar. It's really useful. It comes in really handy around the homestead, the farm, the house property, whatever. Gotta go grab my lopper so we can cut this thing off. I didn't cut this down yet because I wasn't sure what the height was gonna be. Well, we'll start by cutting that off and cutting that off. We'll cut all the leaves off first. It's kind of sad because you can see I have new leaves coming out of the top here. But these are dying fast. And I'm gonna leave these right here on the bottom just as some extra protection. They can die back, cover up other plants down below. There. I don't know that I want to leave these so the water can sit in here though. I just don't want water sitting in there freezing. I think what we'll do is we'll cut it straight across, maybe at an upward angle, about here. Look at that. Nice cut. Same thing here. So the rain or any moisture could come down, and I'm gonna cut these off. There we go. I think I'll just leave it, and then I'll just dump it over the top. I'm gonna come in like this. I'm just gonna wrap these legs around here. We'll just bend these over. I don't know if you can see me doing what I'm doing over here. I'm just attaching this. It's just gonna be temporary for this year. Now, I can dump my grass and weeds, or the leaves. I'm gonna dump my grass and leaves right over the top of that and fill that thing up all the way. Fill it up with leaves and grass clippings and sticks. All right, first of many. Whoa. Okay. We will just keep going, picking up leaves till we're full.